Katie, PhD student here behind us, she's collecting data as part of a global experiment which is part of the World Harbour Project. The World Harbour Project is an initiative which has been set up to link, enhance and facilitate research and management in global harbours all over the world. There's something like 25 different harbours globally that are taking part of this, and Plymouth, I'm really happy to say, is the only UK representative, so we're very proud of that. From the university, myself and Anthony Knights from Marine Science and Engineering was invited to take part in this project. So we recruited Katie and her other supervisors to take part in this big global experiment. As part of the World Harbour Project, there are 4 different work packages, and this is all feeding into work package 2, which is called green engineering, which is just another way of saying eco-engineering. Eco-engineering is a growing field at the moment, which means effectively ecological engineering, and it's a relatively new field which combines engineering criteria with ecological principles to design more sustainable ecosystems that have mutual benefit for ourselves, humans, but also for nature as well.
The basic idea is to take a flat man-made seawall like you see here and try and make it function a little bit more like natural habitat, because we are more rapidly destroying natural habitat to make room for infrastructure that protects things that we build along the coast. So if we can make our flat seawalls function more like natural habitat, then we'll be able to bring back the biodiversity to that area that was lost with the natural habitat. We are looking at limpets, snails, and winkles, so they're all grazing organisms that like to graze off algae from whatever is growing on the seawall or on the tile. And they do prefer to live on surfaces that are somewhat complex, so that's why we're trying these different level of complexity tiles to see if they prefer these very complex tiles or the flatter surfaces, so that one day we could possibly make seawalls from the same type of material. This specific project, for which I won the award, is part of a larger international project. So this is really nice that this larger project is going to get this sort of recognition, because it's important for the general public and people who might be making decisions about this kind of things down the line get to know about this. So I think it's really good publicity. So, personally, I think it's part of a larger team effort.
I think I speak on behalf of all of her supervisors at the university and the Marine Biological Association when I say that we're very proud of her. The implications of winning such an award and getting to go to London and talk about her research has huge ramifications, and it's great exposure for Katie, but also the university and ourselves, and eco-engineering as well. So we're delighted. And of course the World Harbour Project are aware of this as well, and they're delighted to get this kind of exposure and outreach too.